UMLA jangkasang Voice of the People Party na North Shillong Constituency uba Adelbert nongrum mantakas ngi kakakana tarik unai luar arjar pulai ulawan ra ya ke jiro or notice hakabde baga Jingjia ke belajar po Pamphyrnai hakakat do tarik mentau benai habon ra ya kene notice uba Adelbert nongrum ulapan pau ke jing sokhia ke bajur ya ke ke belajar hakate ke sngi kat adu baga kemi ka ban khai kelung hasitang nanti barka khamsu si shu kolong baini kelung iklano hasitang nanti Adelbert habon ra ya kena notice ulang baru dawa nak sarkar baga sim kenya Pynshitom persya ya deputy commissioner jangka West Kasir district bola ai ya ke NOC bat ulak bu ke keliru halo kinu ki kandan la ai NOC na ni ai jing bit ikinang penkhwai hakan ke jaka kat hadu bakalawan ra ya ke jing blok bagang sakot kali de gibon kenta susu ba Adelbert ulang ru baru dawa nak sarkar baga dewan pensangi syua ya ke jing kop khwai ke bakum kini tak hadu menasnai ke kendon ke babiang wa kana bakanam kata iki pai ba kana lit nwan ki biya na ki surak susu uba dua nang rumru ulang ba ki jingkhwai ki bakum kini ke price ke pahdu san folak and folak tengka ba ka bairung galong arajar lah hajar tengka kat ba ka sarkar pat kamyo khajanai e nakam kane susu ulapan pa ko jing sokhia ka bakhamjur halor ka jing mi jo ki yin ki sam ka jing long yin sang ki beduk ki bhaban ha ka ba ki kpana ni ki nang khwai ki pelot arajar ulajar tengka kat ba haying sempat kawara ka jing duk ka jing janjar nak lang jong ulah kan tuyo ka sakai ka de simkhia ya kan ni kana bakim bakum kini jingja kana bjashu adin debut
kindly be very brief and not make any speech. Adelbert, no.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance on the rules 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Sir, I will not make speech, but I'll try to put a question to the present day of the government. The matter relates to the shocking death of an infant baby on date 16/9/2023, who had to be delivered without a medical assistance inside a passenger vehicle by a pregnant mother, as their vehicle was unfortunately stuck in a 3-hour-long traffic jam caused by double-side parking along the road and unruly crowd not giving way to traffic and unregulated fishing competition organized at Pamphyrnai Lake, West Hills. Even as district administration was found guilty of negligence in issuing permission without taking responsibility in maintaining law and order, and district police personnel seen being engaged in prize distribution while noticeable absent in controlling crowd and vehicle from obstructing the traffic flow on the busy Shillong-Nongstoin highway alongside the fishing competition venue. Sir, it's really a matter of grave concern. I'm raising this issue, which has been featured as a prominent front page news item on a number of local daily newspapers, including Maupor and Nongsain Hima, in yesterday's edition, 18 September 2023. The incident has also been covered by electronic media, and videos are online on YouTube with thousands of viewers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that Rule 49A does not allow me to make a speech, and so as a responsible legislator, I only request for a statement from the concerned minister in charge on a few important aspects. A. What action is being taken against the DC of West Hills for granting permission to the fishing competition without carrying out responsibility to ensure law and order? And against the SP of West Hills for allowing police personnel to be engaged by organizer in prize distribution while being absent from traffic management and crowd control. be whether future events of fishing competition, not just in West Cassiles, but in other districts as well. I may request the attention of the House. This is very important and very vital for the state at large. Can be put on hold till such time that a proper regulation can be made by legislation, so that no more untoward incident should occur that put a danger to the health and safety of general public. C. Is government apprised of the adverse impact of fishing competition held almost every Saturday on the weekly earning of rural households who are being addictively attracted to prize money of around 50 lakhs in total each event, while having to shell out 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as an, and of which perhaps zero amount goes towards government revenue. So I won't take much of everyone's time. So I wish that I will end up with these very few words. I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Will the minister be able to answer the question, or he may he may lay a statement in the House during the session?
Mr. Speaker, sir, since you just admitted just now, it's zero notice. So, if I may be allowed, I will lay the statement tomorrow, sir.
Yes.